another U-2 pilot climbs aboard the fast and relatively inexpensive Detroit muscle car you saw ripping down the runway, putting a highly trained pilot in the driver's seat with a radio, and those pilots then act as ground-based wingmen for the U-2. Speeds, well, the U-2 is doing a little over 100 miles an hour right now, and that muscle car is keeping right up. And that huge wingspan of 105 feet. Once again from the left, ladies and gentlemen, the impressive Dragon Lady, the U-2. Built in complete secrecy by Kelly Johnson and the Lockheed Stunt Works, the original U-2A first flew in August of 1955.